lift up the back the whole way in. Lift it up in the back the whole way. Go real slow. And then when you get towards the back, use that screw to get leverage to lift up the back. You can also turn the cam to let the lobe help guide it up. Get real easy. Keep going. Yep, you're almost there. Almost there.
Jump in the hole.
Be careful.
Push it.
Yeah, there it is.
Bang.
Cam in. All right, take that out and we'll get your retainer plate. And you can torque the new retainer plate on.
And I can put this on.
Yep, and then you can put your gear on. You gotta get your cam on its dot. Your piston's not at top dead center right now.
No. Got the screw.
Yep. So now we got to figure out where that new plate went that I bought.
Front?
The cam retaining plate that's got the oil seal. I bought a brand new one.
I know where it is. It's either upstairs or on the back of your truck.
Okay. Well, let's find it.